Massachusetts until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lenox, or near Pittsfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Westfield, Holyoke, Northampton, West Springfield, Deerfield, South Hadley, East Hampton, Southampton, Hadley, Sunderland,